paint slime. Today, you're only going to need some Crayola paint. I'm going to be using the washable sidewalk one, a bowl, spoon to mix with, Elmer's glue, and any activator of your choice. I'm using Magic Liquid. And let's get started. First, you're going to need some Elmer's glue. I'm using clear glue today, the gallon. Pour about half a cup, and then you're going to add your paint. There. I've never tried this recipe before, but hey, I always try new things. Comes out in a nice pinkish. Just keep mixing it until you don't see all these little pieces. I would recommend using any Crayola paint. Chunky pieces in. This would be a nice time to add your activator. And stir. You want to slowly put your activator in. Comment down below how your slime is going so far. But now your slime is hopefully really activated. You should be able to take it out. It's still looking sticky. You should be able to take it out and knead it. The slime's still a little sticky. Always add more activator. Kneading it right now. I let it sit in the refrigerator for like 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and it came out like this. It's very glossy and very stretchy. If you still need to activate it, put some activator. If you guys like this quick and simple video of how to make paint slime, like and subscribe and check our channel for more videos like this. Bye! First you're going to need, no kitty, no!